Okay, so this is going to be a quick short on what cooling to do for if you're trying to do a 5.2 Predator 2020 up GT500 blower on your Coyote. Let's talk the heat exchanger. Okay, here's my car. I wound up going with a Department of Boost Titanic, and it's really up through the upper grill here. So as you're driving, it really gets a lot of cooling. So that is the Titanic Heat Exchanger, but you could get the Super Single, which is just slightly smaller and slightly cheaper. I find it really keeps the IATs like way down. I'm only like 10 or 15 degrees above ambient, which is really good. And it gets hot here where I am in New York. So that really is great. I use Department of Boost POWA pump, and Jason at Department of Boost gave me a full 1-inch kit. So I'm running 1-inch hoses all the way around. And the only time I ever use a 3/4 hose is to tee in my overflow jar here. It's really a coolant fill to the system. I'm running a 3/8 inch hose to the bottle. This is a 2020 GT500 radiator overflow jar. Comes with the bracket when you buy it new from Ford. The only thing I did was I made this bracket here just to hold it up, and the theory is to make this line higher than the intercooler to be able to bleed it. And you make sure that their cool hose goes on the bottom, hot hose is on the top, so the hot will be the return back down to the pump and through the intercooler. That's just how I ran my kit. The IAT temps, like I said, I'm only 10 to 15 degrees above ambient, so it truly works. It does the job. Do you need the Whipple stuff? No, but if you have it, if you could find it for cheap, then it's really a great piece to run as well. This is a Whipple intercooler with the Whipple water neck, and I did the 1-inch hose fitting conversions instead of 3/4 lines. I converted the whole car to 1-inch. So if you guys are looking to do a whole new heat exchanger setup, I really suggest this to do your 2020 up GT500 Coyote Predator blower swap to your Coyote motor.